channel, can I entertain you? But I am late. But supposed to be I'm going to do my work just to visit to each of your channel, guys. Can I do that one? Because it is the role of YouTube. Can connect to each other, can watch the video to its visitors and support each other. It's the number one because YouTube is the community. You grow for the helping to each other, and you grow if you connect to each other. That's I see. That's my experience. Only we do follow the rules and the regulations of the YouTube. We open to each other. No quarreling. Everything is okay. Like telling their I don't accept about that attitude because YouTube is very good because the most of the people here is they have discipline. Even you go in other group because all of us we have any team, any group before we see to each other of our channel, we we can make a good opportunity, and we try to visit to each other. We have easy guys. I like to go with okay, wait. I finish first. Where I am. You select. Okay, you see in the Google Map because they have country, the one you select. Where you like, you select, go and they have part that one. First is Mindanao, they have Luzon and Visayas. You can select that area where you want to do visit. Where you go province, or you going to stay in Manila? Manila is Luzon. Province, Mindanao, same, like example, Davao City. That's the Mindanao. We arrived at one of an airplane. And then, in Luzon, I don't know, Luzon, Visayas, I don't know about that area because I don't visit that area. And me also, I just to see where Daddy Frog. I'm talking myself. I'm talking myself. Oh my god. And then you come in here. I think you go anywhere. I don't see anywhere. Well, yeah. Yeah, I think you go. Yeah, you heard what I'm saying. It's okay, never mind. Just I'm talking about my channel. What's the purpose of my live 24/7 challenge?